Alright guys, welcome back to, I hope, the last tutorial of this, and I know this has been a long one. So let's just work on the cart fragment that once we click on this, it takes us to the cart. Let's close it and I'll say cart fragment. And let's just work on the cart fragment, cart list layout. And okay, so what do we need here? Let's just go to the cart style and maybe use this design, and we'll go to the cart list layout and just get rid of, maybe instead of description detail we can here total price and quantity. Yes, yeah, order detail. And so this is well, and we'll just say cart image, cart coffee name, and let's do the same, cart image, cart coffee name. Okay, so this is it for the layout of the cart, and what we have to do is go to our cart and like maybe do relative layout, and let's just take a recycler view, match parent, adding 10 dips, id cart, recycler view, and down below we can just display the order summary. You can use a button, or you can use, like, let's see what we are going to use. Card recycler view text. So I can't see it. Order summary. Oh wow, something weird is happening. Okay, so this is just being pushed. This is good, but oh, okay, worked. And let's just bring it in the center. Okay, order summary, let's just give it a margin maybe. Yeah, that's better. Text style, no, text size maybe 18. Text color maybe black. Text italic and bold. Okay, so maybe we would need to get a button also that resets. Order summary. Okay, how do I do this? We will okay, order summary is so we don't want this to be pushed. I'm not sure how to bring this up. Okay, works. Okay, yeah, let's just put it a text order now. Order now, and that's it. So what this does is like this will reset all the values, because if we see now, it's like when we go here and we come back here, it displays the values, right? But once the order is placed, it should reset it, right? You know what I'm saying? Okay, and let's just try to work on this. And yeah, we've got the recycler view, and let's just go to the card fragment, reset it a little bit. Don't delete this MP constructor. This is needed by fragments. Okay, yeah, let's go to adopter, and we have the card. I should have named it card adopter. Okay, let's extend it to recycler view, view holder, card holder, extend view holder, and adapter, oh, and card holder. Okay, so let's just implement the methods here. Get rid of this. So I hope like you by now you understand what is going on, right? We have another list, another collection in the Firestore, and we are just going to display it now. And let's just go and list cart model list, and the layout that we're going to use is the one we have just created. Parent get context and inflate our layout. Oh, what's the name of the cart list style layout? Parent false, return new cart holder view. So cart model list dot size, and the views that we have here are text view for the name and the price, image view for the image of coffee, and name is going to be item view cart coffee name, price like where we are going to display the cart. Oh, I don't know why did I name something cart fragment, weird. Let's go back to change that. Cart list layout. Order detail. Order detail and image of coffee, obviously it's going to be cart image. Let's just come in here, holder. Oh no, glide with holder, item view, get context, load, holder, no, cart model list, get position, get image URL, into holder, image of coffee, and the price is going to be price dot set text. It's going to be, first of all, give it order. We would ordered string value of the quantity that we want to show, how much coffees that we have ordered. And what have we ordered? We have ordered 5. The name, obviously, no, let's just display quantity here. Ordered 5 for okay, Okay, the price, let's display the price here. String.value. Let's just cut this method short a little bit. String this material values. Okay, total price. So that's what we wanted to display, and lastly we will display name of the coffee that we have ordered. Get position, get coffee name. Okay, that's good. We are good now, and like we will go to our cart fragment, and let's just get, oh, we have missed one method there, so let's just go back and fix that too. Recycler view, Firebase Firestore, button, order button, text view for our order summary, nav controller, Okay, so let's go back to cart adapter and create this method where we public set cart model list cart model list, this cart model list. Okay, let's come back in here, cart fragment, and I'm really tired, but I love my subscriber and I know how it is like to be stuck in some, like, while coding, because this is how I learn, and I spend like weeks on like stuck on one thing if the tutorial is not good. So I hope I'm doing a good job, and if you don't understand anything, just like let me know, because I always reply to your comments. Find view by controller. And adapter, cart adapter, recycler view. Let's find the recycler view. Cart recycler view, set layout manager, linear layout. Oh shit. And what else have we got? Okay, list, because I'm not going to display it in the MVVM way. If you want, you're welcome to do so, and I have done that one time already here, so you can follow that if you want to do it with the view model, but I don't have time and energy for that, so I'm not going to repeat that thing. And now here, simply Firestore collection, we want to display this collection. Okay, what do we do here? We display get, again no on add snapshot needed, because it will be refreshed once we go to this fragment. Okay, if task is successful, oh, what else have we got here? Okay, same thing, document snapshot ds task dot get result, get documents, and okay, just keep it that way. Okay, cart model, ds to object cart model dot class. Let's bring in the list here, cart model list. You need to clear the list every time, otherwise it will be added twice, thrice every time, like you refresh it. So probably if you miss this step, then you would understand what this really means. So yeah, maybe I cannot really put it in a wise words. Like, it's just, if it's not there, then once you go to cart fragment and you come back and then you once again go, it adds more of the same items. So you want to keep the list consistent. Therefore cart model is clear. Okay, cart model list dot add cart model. And lastly, madopter set cart model list, recycler view set adapter adapter. So this happens once we click. How do I do this? Maybe this is it. So let's go to all coffee list fragment, and once we click on fab, it takes us to, oh wow. So here, nav controller, navigate r.id, all case. Okay, yeah. This takes us to, and right now there are 3 items in the cart. So hopefully we will be seeing those 3 items in the cart fragment where we have displayed. So let's just go to Firestore and see side by side. So there are 1 black tea, 1 bubble tea, and 1 green tea. So we'll go here and black tea, bubble tea, and green tea. So I'll just go to the layout for a while and change this to wrap. The height should be wrap. And I want to show you one more thing. Like we are here, so otherwise you will trash talk me in the tutorial, like comments, that why you didn't tell this. So again, like this clear thing, I'll just explain in a bit. So right now you go in here and you see this, okay, right? It's here. Now if I remove this and I refresh this, because every time we run our code, this model, whatever that is coming from Firestore, has to be added into the list. So it adds it twice. And now I go in here and I go back. So this creates a problem for us. Therefore you need to keep it here, okay? Yeah, this is important. We need to keep it here. So it cleans our list. Okay, yeah. So what is the next step, guys? Now this is showing also, yeah, so let's just correct it a little bit. This is not looking good. Order 1 for order 1 for 1 for. So let's add something more. Let's just add order 3 4. So the value is getting updated, right? Everything is perfectly working fine. And I need to just clean it a little bit. So here, ordered 1 for ordered, after that space and 4 space. So now let's see, maybe it's more clearer. The special, like, order summary. Okay, ordered 1 for 30. Like, let's just add maybe another. Okay, yeah, so make it look a little bit better. Ordered one for, and like, let's just change the view a little bit, maybe make it bold. Okay, and text color should be, yeah, now it might look a little better. And we will be working on order now and order summary. So now there are two problems or two steps that we have to do. Okay, good. Now if we change this order, right, if we going to 0, 0, that is already 0. Yeah, 0. So there is nothing in the cart, right? But why is it that these things are here? Once it's 0, so it should delete these entries from here, right? So what we do is we, and also another thing, the next step would be, let's deal with the 0 first, and the next step would be, if there is an order and when we press order, so then this cart should clear up, right? So let's go to our cart detail fragment, and if it is 0, if the quantity is like if the quantity is 0, then maybe delete. Let's just copy this. Delete the document. Let's see. Let's see if this works, but this better work, otherwise we will be here for whole night. So it's already 12:14. Okay, so maybe it should delete already, or maybe I would have to press, because these are old, so maybe I will try to update it. Oh wow. uh how do I do this? Maybe let's try to update it. 3, 5, 7. So how do we, and green tea, I need to deal with the green tea too. Maybe make it 1 because it's already there. So now if I wrote that if it's 0, then it should delete it. So let's go bubble tea. And bubble tea should be gone if it's, oh, it's gone. If I press 1, okay, so then I have to add it there too. Yeah, but if I press 0, just 1 minute. If I press 1, I have to press 1 2 times maybe. Bubble tea was added. Okay, that's a little bit of a bug, but this is interesting and challenging. This is beautiful. Okay, yeah, it's gone. So bubble tea is not there anymore, and if I press 1, yeah, it's still like I'm struggling with this order button. Should I keep it or not? Because on the subtraction it works, but not on the. So let's just go and get this son of a bitch. Okay, let's get this while we this like subtraction, and in addition this does seem to update the quantity, but what is the order button doing then? So if the quantity is 0, delete it, and if let's understand the problem first. Or maybe let's just deal with something, the order button first. Let's just deal with the order button first. So, or maybe I have messed up some code, so let's stay here. I'm not sure. I have added bubble tea, and this plus button is not going to add that. Okay. Yeah, so let's go to add. But why does, okay, this updates like this needs to have add to cart method here. A little bit of extra work. So let's see now. If we press plus, if we press plus, let's just deal with this. Okay, yeah, bubble tea. We need to go to the tea. Okay. Bubble tea. 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 1. And maybe we need to get this method in here too, instead of cart. Where is the cart? Okay. Okay, one more try. Either we're gonna mess up this whole thing or it's gonna work out. Okay, gone. Edit, 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 gone. Okay, it's still not going. It needs another click. Let's just reset our code a little bit. Yeah, I should really work on the first two. Oh. Let's just retest our app because I have resetted a lot of code and then come back to it. Zero, 2, 2, 1, 6, 5. Okay. For now it's working fine, and let's go to, so we had 5 orders, 2, 2, 0, 4. Yeah, let's, how do we clear this? Okay, let's just go to green tea and like first let's clear that. And okay, so now we have altogether 6, and like once we place the order, like it should show us 0 for classic, like 0 for classic tea, 0 for black tea, 0 for everything because the order is done. So let's just go and get the order, maybe order, yeah, all cafe fragment, and the button that we had taken was order complete, and text view order summary. So first of all, button order, order complete, guess the name of that is order now, if I'm not wrong. Let's take a look. All, oh, in the cart, and I have put the wrong here, it's not here. Let's go to cart fragment and order button, order now. So once we click order now, cart should be empty. Order button. So Firestore collection dot cart should be deleted. Let's see that. If it clears the carts for us, so then it would be amazing. Okay, so we are in the cart right now and we have these orders. So okay, didn't get deleted. Let's get so this collection needs to go away once the order is placed, right? Okay, so it's not going away. How do I do this? Mm, let's take a look at from here. In one go to delete, retrieve all the delete collection, or this is JavaScript. This is not going to be applied here. Let's see if I have done this here. Let's just go to the cart. Let's see if I've done that here. Yeah, that is the, oh wow, that is the method that we have done to delete all. So let's just go to that First of all, we'll get all the documents for a snapshot, and if task is successful, then query snapshot task.get result for document snapshot ds task get documents ds get reference delete. Okay, and right away when this is done, nav controller navigate, take me back to the card fragment to all coffee fragment, and we can say order received. But one thing more is that we need to reset the quantity also, because we can't just get away with this, right, once the order is placed. And also within this, let's go Firestore collection, go files, and document.update quantity 0. So let's test it, and here we go. So let's test this now. So now we have these orders, and we'll go to Firestore. Okay, app crashed, but if we refresh this shouldn't be here. Or why did the app crash? Let's find out. Okay, yeah, so this is kind of like the reason it crashed. It's because did it navigate or not? Oh, it had to navigate from here. But why it didn't delete everything? Our first responsibility is to delete it. Okay, we need to do this separately. So first of all, like, let's just take it out from here. Clearing the cart, and this is not gonna work this way. Wow, this is something learning. Because we have to do, like, this is what I understand for now. So we are dealing with the whole collection right now here. So that is why once we want to reset the values of whole collection or delete it, we have to access it this way. Update quantity 0. and in the very end, nav controller navigate action cart to coffee list fragment and order list. Okay, hopefully now this works. And open the Firestore. So yeah, okay, yeah, order placed, and this is deleting. Yeah, that was amazing. So yep, this is good. And what else have we got? So this is growing great, and like let's just place an order and let's see that again. 2, 4, and now we have this, and we say order now, delete it, and maybe this I will use change to add snapshot. Maybe you can change it so it changes right away, because you have to refresh the app in order to like see the updated number. But when you go to bubble tea, see it's 2, but when we change it and we go back here and we come back, it's still 2. But once you press order here, order placed, that is gone. We go back here, it's 0. Okay, and if this number bothers you, you just oh yeah, on resume, I guess on resume, yeah, one thing we can add, and maybe this can solve our problem. List fragment. Oh shit. So for the on resume, I've had a special method. Yes, do we need to do this? Quantity sum, maybe put it 0, I guess. Let's see if this works. Otherwise, you can just use add snapshot where we are displaying this. I'll show you where. Yeah, here it should be add snapshot instead of get, if you want to see the change right away. So let's just add some order. If and classic T 4, okay, 2 2. Yeah, so I think you need to put add snapshot here in order to get that working. Yeah, so I guess this is useless, but anyways, that does not bother me. But use add snapshot to see the updated. Okay, so the last step is going to be uh, how do I delete, and we'll go back to cart fragment, oh sorry, the detail, coffee detail fragment, and once it's 0, if the card is like if quantity is 0, I guess maybe can we deal with this, or but this only works here. Cart is 0. I guess let's just get rid of cart is 0. Document, and the name is how do I say this, name at get and complete listener. Well, I guess let's try this. And if it gets deleted, then it's awesome. Okay, order, go back. Okay, okay. I have to delete it twice. Press it twice in order to make that work. Or maybe let's put that in here. This is kind of tricky. But we'll figure it out. Product detail fragment. So I guess I didn't use that in order to delete it here. That's how we go. Add to cart. Perhaps we should try this approach. So add to cart does not have any kind of where is that? Let's head over to Android Studio and make some drastic changes. So I hope that we can get rid of this a little bit bug, because I know when you submit your project you don't want the bug, right? Add to cart should only have the hash map. And it should set the and the task shouldn't do anything. So what else it's going to do? Order. If quantity is 0, nav controller cart to coffee frag cart to all not ready. uh, Coffee detail to all fragment. You did not. Okay, let's just get this toast message from here and display it. Else, if quantity is not 0, then add to cart and navigate so if that is the case, navigate, add it in cart. No, let's just make a little bit better. You ordered, you have ordered. Okay, that's about it. Okay, that's done. So here this add to cart, and like this button is not needed. The cart one, we are trying to change a little bit of the behavior. Only this quantity gets updated, and that's it. And if the quantity is 0, it is 0, total price is 0. And once we go up, again add quantity, we update. Okay, oh, maybe we have messed up the whole app, or maybe we have like fixed some things. Let's try now. It's 0, nothing is here. 2, 3, 2, 3. Now let's see what happens if we put 0 and I go back, not by ordering. Still 3. In order to update it, I have to click order. This is important. that okay, so I have to cancel out the previous one. Okay, once this is minus, how do I deal with this? Minus. Okay, let's delete this connection. This is going to be a long tutorial, guys, but I'm gonna fix it in this one. Whether it takes 2 hours, I don't care. I know most of the people will not watch this tutorial, but I think definitely the college people who are doing the project would watch it. I should delete. Should delete this first. Okay, so let's go back in here. So let's just, whenever it minuses, it should just delete it. Our store collection, card, get. Task is successful. Task, get result. Oh, wow, quite difficult. Let's try this now. Because this 0 button is really bothering me. Rest is fine. If we just somehow manage to change this behavior, it would work wonders for us. Okay. Now I wanna if I click it one more time, it goes away. Why do I have to press that? Or maybe let's do it here. Once the activity starts, might just Okay, yeah, because this method we don't have to run. I guess this is gonna work. I really hope so this is gonna work. Because this method we don't have to click any button, right? Okay, so let's just 33. Okay, yeah. And let's go. Obviously we have to order and then it would update. Okay, so let's just go 0. Oh fuck yeah. You see this? I am your man. Yeah. Okay. So let's just add 3 to order and 6. Okay. Let's see. Let's verify. 3. And now let's bring it to 0. And there you go. And once we go back, it's 3. Awesome. Good job, guys. Thank you for being with me in this horrible journey. So this is solved. And our cart is amazing. So this is 3 only. And now it's amazing, like, that only if there is a value there, then the value will be displayed. Now the last step, I think I should do this because I owe you, because you guys have been here for like since the beginning. And even this step I have not done in the shopping app. So this is something new that I have learned. This is amazing, right? Order now, cart is cleared, gone. And yeah, we go back, it's 0. But okay, order 2, we go back, delete, boom, nothing in here. Awesome. Okay, so let's do something that, okay, let's put an order of like 3 and classic tea 2. So let's just do this, and now we want to display the total here, and we'll do the same step and then we are done for good. And then I will just upload this tutorial for you guys. Okay, so we will go, like, let's just close this all shit for a while, and let's go to the cart fragment and use the same method that we had used to, okay, order summary is that we have to display. Wow guys, that was such a smooth victory after 1 hour. Okay, there are a couple of these things and I would need to know what is this. Cart, order now. Oh no, order summary. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. So let's come in here guys for the cart fragment. So I need to display here the total, right? Total order cost. And I need to take an integer. Save total cost, new array list. And let's go. And here we have gotten the quantity, I guess, somewhere. No, I think we didn't. So let's just go in here, adding a quantity. I think you should really carefully watch this tutorial because in this is the real jam, that you saw me conquering after so long, like, the main bug that we had. Okay, adding the total of all orders. So how do we do this? We first of all go Firestore collection cart. Now let's use that snapshot listener because I want to show the change right away. But actually we want or will we see the cart? I think we see the cart, yeah. So let's just go ahead with this. Okay, how do we do this now? Here we are. Just give me a second, guys. I have to text someone because I've been doing this for like 4 or 5 hours. And okay, yeah. So let's just get the value first of all. Value is not null. So for document snapshot ds value dot get documents, and what do we need? We need a cart model ds2 object cart model. Okay, okay, so yeah, we have to get the value first. Int value of all prices, cart model get total price. And now what we do is we use our similar method that we had used to display the cart value that we were using and putting it into an array. So first of all, the wow, this is really complicated shit. Save total cost, add value of all prices, and we come out here, and so we are adding all prices into a list of an integers. Okay, and then what do? We create a for loop. Can't do it. Let's create a for loop outside this. Int I is equals to 0. I is less than save total cost dot length, no, dot size I plus total order cost plus equals this is the special algorithm. Okay, and then let's put order summary set text string dot value of total order cost, and let's just total is, so there we go. And right outside, just gonna put order summary. Oh no, 0, and save total cost clear list. Oh, quite complicated, man. Just copy paste this, I think. Okay, so this is, here we are, and if I go in here, total cost is 200. Oh wow, man, this is amazing. Total is 200. So if I go and add some more, and if you, total cost is 225. So if you're going to, let's say, minus these all bubble teas, so how much the cost should be? 75. And let's test if our algorithm is working or not. So let's go in here. Oh yeah, amazing, guys. We have all successfully conquered this app, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial as much as I have enjoyed this challenge. Actually, pretty big thing for me. And okay, guys, I think we are done. Like, we have done everything. This is the app perfect for your project. And okay, so I hope to see you in the next one, and please subscribe. This one deserves some recognition, guys. So yeah, just comment and let me know how was it, and like, yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.